The variety of air purifiers available on the market makes it extremely hard to decide and choose the one that suits your needs the best, especially if you're looking for an inexpensive air purifier. In this video, we'll analyze, compare, and select the 5 most affordable air purifiers you can buy that won't drain your wallet, but will make your living space less polluted. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Before we dive into our top picks, we want to explain the criteria we used when creating this list. We conducted extensive research and analysis to ensure that the air purifiers we recommend aren't just affordable, but also effective in improving air quality. One of the key factors we considered is filtration technology. We also considered the price of the air purifiers, the cost of maintenance, and the features each device offers. Additionally, we compared the coverage area of each air purifier. As you can see in the table, these air purifiers are very similar in terms of room coverage. But the Core 300 stands out as the most powerful one. All these factors contributed to our final decision, and the air purifiers you'll see in the next few minutes meet these strict standards. For more information about our rating process, visit airpurifierfirst.com. After detailed research and in-depth testing, our top pick for the best affordable air purifier is the Levoit Core 300. This device is the perfect balance of affordability, efficiency, and features. It covers rooms up to 219 square feet and uses a 3-stage filtration technology, including a pre-filter, true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. In our performance tests, the Core 300 demonstrated outstanding results, improving the air quality by about 93% in a 194 square foot room. Additionally, this air purifier is incredibly quiet, producing just 40.7 dBA in sleep mode. But it's slightly louder at its max speed, producing 64.9 dBA. With a motor of just 45 watts and affordable replacement filters, the Core 300 is not only inexpensive, but also cost-effective to maintain over time. Overall, this air purifier provides exceptional value for its price, and is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable and high-efficient air purifier. Power usage is one of the highest costs an air purifier can have, making it an important factor to consider when looking for an affordable option. Accordingly, the Blueair 411 is an excellent choice, with a low-power motor of just 10 watts. This air purifier is intended for rooms of up to 161 square feet. It has 4-stage filtration technology, including the HEPA silent technology. One standout feature of the Blueair 411 is its washable pre-filter, which makes maintenance a breeze. In our performance tests, this air purifier achieved excellent results. It improved the air quality by about 95% in a 194 square foot room. The Blueair 411 is also incredibly quiet, producing a sound of just 40.6 dBA at the lowest speed, but also slightly louder at the maximum speed, at which it produces 67.5 dBA. In addition to being highly efficient and cost-effective, this air purifier is also stylish, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a modern, affordable, and high-quality air purifier. Xiaomi is a well-known brand for producing high-quality air purifiers with advanced filtration technology and smart features. Their latest model, the Xiaomi 4 Compact, is no exception. This air purifier is ideal for rooms up to 206 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and similar spaces. The Xiaomi 4 Compact uses a 3-stage filtration technology. In our performance tests, in a room of 194 square feet, it improved the air quality by about 94% in just 60 minutes. With a motor of only 27 watts, this air purifier is well optimized for low power usage. At the lowest speed, it produces a sound of just 41.3 dBA. While at the maximum speed, it produces 60.4 dBA. The Xiaomi 4 Compact is an excellent air purifier that offers both high performance and smart features, making it easy and convenient to use daily. With low maintenance and long-lasting filters, it's also a very cost-effective option. The Levoit Core 200S is a small yet powerful air purifier with 3-stage filtration technology, including a nylon mesh pre-filter, true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. This air purifier covers rooms of up to 183 square feet and is one of the quietest models we have tested. In our performance test, the Core 200S had outstanding results in a 120 square foot room, improving the air quality by about 93% in just 60 minutes. It produces a sound of just 42.1 dBA at its lowest speed and a sound of 53.9 dBA at its max speed. Additionally, the Core 200S is very affordable to maintain, thanks to its affordable replacement filters. With its 37-watt motor, this air purifier is both effective and energy efficient, making it our best buy recommendation for those looking for a feature-rich and affordable air purifier. The IKEA FÖRNUFTIG air purifier is the most inexpensive option on the list. However, it lacks some of the advanced features found in other models. With coverage of up to 108 square feet, it's suitable for small rooms. The FÖRNUFTIG uses a 19-watt motor and has a minimalistic, modern design. It comes with a washable pre-filter and particle filter, but we recommend purchasing an activated carbon filter for even higher filtration efficiency. On performance tests, the IKEA FÖRNUFTIG improved the air quality in a 120 square foot room by about 91% in just 60 minutes. It's also a quiet air purifier, producing just 42.2 dBA at the lowest speed and 58.2 dBA at the maximum speed. In conclusion, the IKEA FÖRNUFTIG is a solid choice for those on a tight budget, but if you have more to spend, we recommend considering some of the other devices from this list. We have conducted tests on these air purifiers in 3 different rooms with varying sizes: 120 square feet, 194 square feet, and 320 square feet. All tests were performed separately, with the devices operating at their maximum speeds for 60 minutes. We used the temp-top laser particle meter to measure initial pollution levels and the values after 60 minutes. The Levoit Core 300 was the most efficient air purifier in the tests, providing excellent results, particularly in the 320 square foot room. It also performed exceptionally well in other real-life tests and is without a doubt the top-performing air purifier on this list, as shown in the presented table. We have conducted noise testing on all the air purifiers using a special tool that measures noise levels on a dBA scale. The table presented shows the results of these tests, indicating how loud each air purifier is at its lowest and maximum speeds. All the air purifiers on this list are exceptionally quiet at their lowest speeds, especially the Levoit Core 300 and Blueair 411, making them perfect for bedroom use. However, these 2 air purifiers are the loudest ones at their maximum speeds. For more detailed information and analysis, please visit our website at airpurifierfirst.com. We also compared the power consumption of these air purifiers at their lowest and max speeds, and the costs presented represent the usage of the device for 24 hours daily for 1 month at the max speed. We used an average power cost of 12 cents per kilowatt hour. As shown in the table, the Blueair stands out as the most energy-efficient air purifier, consuming the least power at both speeds. On the other hand, the Levoit Core 300 is the most power-inefficient air purifier, consuming significantly more power than the other air purifiers. Therefore, the Blueair 411 may be an excellent choice if you're primarily concerned about your electricity bill. This was a comprehensive guide on the best affordable air purifiers available on the market, featuring detailed analysis and comparisons of their performance, noise levels, power usage, and specifications. Based on all the criteria, the Levoit Core 300 is the best budget air purifier, boasting top quality filtration technology, excellent performance, good power usage, and a well-optimized motor. However, if you have specific requirements, such as the need for an air purifier that uses inexpensive filters, is ultra-quiet, or consumes minimal power, then you can check out some other models on this list. If you have any questions, uncertainties, or suggestions, please comment below the video. We'll answer all your questions as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.